Hi everyone, welcome back to Data Glaze. Today we are going to write a program to check whether a given number is divisible by 3 and 6. Okay, before we start coding, let's quickly go over the rules of divisibility. A number, so see, first divisibility rule by of 3 is 3 is a prime number, now everyone knows it. Now 3 is only divisible by 1 and the number itself. So prime number is number which is divisible by 1 and the number itself. So 3 is like, see, you see, 3 is not divisible by 2, 3 is not divisible by any other number except 3 and 1. So 3 is a prime number. And now let's see the divisibility test for 6. Okay, so see, this is the divisibility test for 6. If a number is divisible, okay, a number is divisible by 6 if the number is divisible by both the 3 and 2. Okay, so this is a concept which we learned in I think 6th and 7th standard. So there we learned the divisibility test. So we're going to use this in today's lecture. Let's get into the code. So first thing we have to do is get the input from the user. So number is equal to integer input, enter any number. Okay, so now see, we'll use the first condition. Here we're going to use if else statement. If the number is divisible with so and so, then print. Okay, so let's start that. If number is divisible by, now this symbol in Python is called as mod. Okay, it's mod is equal to this assignment. Okay, this is called as comparison operator. So there are different types of operators. So CVC, if we use a single equal to, that will be an assignment operator. That means, okay, this is the thing. This is an assignment operator. This is used for variables, to assign variables. And when we use in a condition, like we want the LHS this is equal to RHS this, then we use this comparison operator, right? Okay, let's start by 3. If the number is equal to divisible by 3, okay, sorry, if the number is divisible by 3, right, and which is equal to 0, then print that the divisible by 3. Okay, this is the number divisible by 3. Well, it's in case if you even want to say that it is only divisible by 3 and not 6, then we can say by 3 and not 6. Okay, this is the first syntax. Let's see, now the next condition would be divisibility test for 6. Now as we have seen here that the number should be divisible by both 3 and 2, and then it will be divisible by 6, right? So let's write. Now see, here we will be using 3 statements. So if, else if, and else will come. Okay. So, okay, and if the number, okay, the number should be, the number is divisible by 2 is equal to 0, and the number divisible by 2 and 3 is equal to 0, print the number is divisible by 6, okay, and not 3. Now let's see last thing which we add. For example, now see, we have satisfied our conditions, but if you want to see, for example, a number like say and a number is 6. Suppose you enter a number 6, but 6 is even divisible by 3, okay, and it is even divisible by 6 itself. So for that we need to give a other condition, that is else. Okay, we're gonna give again one more condition to this LF. Okay, so this is an indentation. Indentation here is, see, whenever you use conditional statement, make sure that you use it one below other, or else it will give an error, which is indentation. Okay, so just take it back. Okay, else if the number is divisible by 3 is equal to 0, and if the number is also divisible by 6, okay, is equal to 0, then you print that the number is both divisible by 6 and 3. Got it? Yeah. So okay, I'll tell you one more thing in else if statements. It is okay, completely fine if you don't use else, because this is the thing, our job is done here, right? So that's it. Now let's run the code and check the output. Okay, let's run the code. See, for C I add 3 only right now. Then see, the number is divisible by 3 and not 6. It's working. Now let's run the code again, and this time I will add 6. Let's see what it says. Okay, see, the number is divisible by 3 and not 6. Okay, so see, now we'll pass a number which is 6. Now see, this is both divisible by 3 and 6. That's it for today. We have successfully written a program that checks if the number is divisible by 3 and 6. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.